Developing great leaders does not happen by accident. It is a result of deliberate efforts to educate, encourage, and inspire. The Manager Skills Workshop lays the foundation to equip strong leaders to lead strong teams. But unfortunately, most people are just thrown into leadership roles without any adequate preparation or training. The result is usually frustration, ineffectiveness, and low morale. I personally know many people in leadership roles who question whether they should be leading others at all. But that uncertainty in their leadership ability stems from not being set up for success in the first place. And that is exactly why we developed the Manager Skills Workshop. We actually launched it in 2019 as a Supervisor Skills Workshop. But the vast majority of the attendees were owners of companies, senior leaders, mid-managers, and also first-time supervisors. It turns out that being given the basic tools of managing others was more of a widespread issue than we previously thought. So the Manager Skills Workshop will be an 8-week online program. We'll cover 8 modules in that time frame. We'll meet as a class weekly for approximately 75 minutes to go over the module in a dynamic and interactive online session. If you've ever been on an online training or webinar with me, then you know that they tend to be quite engaging. The module topics are you as a manager, leadership, delegation, handling problems and conflict, successful meetings, effective communication, motivation and team building, and improving employee performance. By the time the 8 weeks are up, you should feel confident in how to use all of those foundational pieces to lead a high-performing team. Listen, this is a great opportunity to invest in your leaders, your first-time managers, your supervisors, and even current line staff who are high potential future leaders. And if you're not currently on a team, this is the perfect time to invest in yourself, which is one of the best investments you can ever make. So if this program sounds like a good fit, then register for our next Manager Skills Workshop. I will look forward to seeing you there.